अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में हम हाई कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया के PYQs प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू रिगार्डिंग हाई कोर्ट्स इन इंडिया। 1. First High Court in India was established in 1862. Second, there are only 3 high courts common to 2 or more states or UT. Third, lately Mizoram got its own high court. Fourth, India has 24 high courts. Option A, first, second and fourth. Option B, only first. Option C, first and second. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option B, only first. Next question is, which of the following states does not have a high court? Option A, Nagaland. Option B, Tripura. Option C, Manipur. Option D, Meghalaya. Correct answer is option A, Nagaland. Next question is, which of the following statements is not true? Option A, the institution of High Court in India was first formed in 1862. Option B, Article 214 to 231 of the Indian Constitution envisages about the powers of the High Court. Option C, Delhi is a union territory which has its own High Court. Option D, only Parliament determines the number of judges in the High Court. Correct answer is option D, only Parliament determines the number of judges in the High Court. Next question is, who among the following appoints the district judge in a state? Option A, the governor of the state. Option B, the president of India. Option C, the chief minister of the state. Option D, chief justice of the High Court of the state. Correct answer is option A, the governor of the state. Next question is, who can extend the jurisdiction of a High Court? Option A, Parliament of India. Option B, President of India. Option C, Supreme Court of India. Option D, the Governor of the state. Correct answer is option A, Parliament of India. Next question is, who does not participate in the appointment of the High Court judge? Option A, Governor of the state. Option B, Chief Minister of the state. Option C, Chief Justice of the High Court of the respective state. Option D, President of India. Correct answer is option B, Chief Minister of the state. Next question is, which of the following statements is not true? Option A, the governor administers the High Court judge. Option B, the judge of the High Court submits his resignation letter to the Chief Justice of the same court. Option C, a person can remain a judge in the High Court up to the age of 62 years. Option D, no High Court judge has been impeached so far. Correct answer is option B, the judge of the High Court submits his resignation letter to the Chief Justice of the same court. Next question is, the transfer of judges from one High Court to another High Court may be made by the option A, President of India in consultation with the Chief Justice of that High Court. Option B, Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. Option C, Governor of the concerned state in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Option D, President of India after consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Correct answer is option D, President of India after consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Next question is, who appoints the judicial officer of the subordinate judiciary other than the district judge? Option A, Union Public Service Commission. Option B, State Public Service Commission. Option C, Governor in accordance with the rules made by him in consultation with the High Court and State Public Service Commission. Option D, Governor in consultation with the High Court exercising jurisdiction in relation to such state. Correct answer is option C, Governor in accordance with the rules made by him in consultation with the High Court and State Public Service Commission. Next question is, which of the following is or true regarding tenure and removal of judges of High Court? First, a High Court judge holds office until he attains the age of 62 years. Second, the process of removal of judge of High Court is same as that of Supreme Court judges. Option A, only first. Option B, only second. Option C, both first and second. Option D, neither first nor second. Correct answer is option C, both first and second. Next question is, which of the following is or true First, the acting Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by the President. Second, a distinguished jurist cannot be appointed as High Court judge. Option A only first, option B only second, option C both first and second, option D neither first nor second. Correct answer is option C both first and second. Next question is, a retired judge of an high court cannot option A practice in the Supreme Court, option B practice in any high court in India, option C practice in the court from where he, option D practice in any court in India has retired. Correct answer is option C practice in the high court from where he. Next question is, with reference to Lok Adalats, which of the following statements is correct? Option A, Lok Adalats have the jurisdiction to settle the matters at the pre-litigation stage and not those matters pending before any court. Option B, Lok Adalats can deal with matters which are civil and not criminal in nature. Option D, every Lok Adalat consists of either serving or retired judicial officers only and not any other persons. Option D, none of the statements given above is correct. Correct answer is option D, none of the statements given above is correct. Next question is, with reference to National Legal Service Authority, consider the following statements. First, its objective is to provide free and competent legal service to the weaker sections of the society on the basis of equal opportunity. Second, it issues guidelines for the state legal service authorities to implement the legal programs and schemes throughout the country. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A first only, option B second only, option C both first and second, option D neither first nor second. Correct answer is option C, both first and second. Next question is, consider the following statements. First, the presiding officer Nyaya Adhikari shall be appointed by the state government in consultation with the High Court. Second, as per the Act, Gram Nyayalas can hear civil cases and criminal cases. Third, the Act allows local social activists as the mediators or conciliators. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A first and third, option B first and second, option C third only, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Next question is, arrange the following high courts in ascending order of their year of establishment. First Delhi, second Guwahati, third Manipur, fourth Uttarakhand. Select the correct code. Option A first, second, fourth, third. Option B second, first, fourth, third. Option C first, fourth, second, third. Option D second, fourth, third, first. Correct answer is option B, second, first, fourth, third. Next question is, the pension of a retired High Court judge is charged to the option A Consolidated Fund of India, option B Consolidated Fund of the state where he last served, option C Consolidated Fund of the different states where he has served, option D Contingency Fund of India. Correct answer is option A Consolidated Fund of India. Next question is, the salaries and allowance of the judges of the High Court are charged to the option A Consolidated Fund of India, option B Consolidated Fund of the state, option C Contingency Fund of India, option D Contingency Fund of the state. Correct answer is option B Consolidated Fund of the state. Next question is, the number of high courts of judicature in India is option A 25, option C 22, option B 21, option D 23. Correct answer is option A 25. Next question is, which one of the following Indian states does not have its own high court? Option A Orissa, option B Sikkim, option C Himachal Pradesh, option D Mizoram. Correct answer is option D Mizoram. Next question is, which of the following high courts has its jurisdiction for more than one state or UT? Option A Allahabad, option B Delhi, option C Gujarat, option D Maharashtra. Correct answer is option D Maharashtra. Next question is, which one of the following high courts has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Option A Andhra Pradesh, option B Kolkata, option C Madras, option D Orissa. Correct answer is option B Kolkata. Next question is, the power of High Courts to issue writ covers option A constitutional rights, option B statutory rights, option C fundamental rights, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Next question is, which High Court stated that the divorce by saying talaq 3 times is illegal? Option A Kolkata High Court, option B Allahabad High Court, option C Bombay High Court, option D Punjab High Court. Correct answer is option B Allahabad High Court. Next question is, in which petition judiciary orders executives to perform their duty? Option A habeas corpus, option B mandamus, option C prohibition, option D quo warranto. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी मंडमस। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। शुक्रिया।